Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are ready to build an online store but you are stuck choosing between Shopify and WooCommerce, this video is for you. Today I am breaking down which one makes store building easier, what you need to know before you choose, and which platform fits your goal best. So hit the like button, and without any further ado, let's get into it. So here actually you just need to understand what are they. So first let's cover the basic. Let's talk about the Shopify. Shopify is an all-in-one hosted platform. You just need to be sign up, log in, and everything is ready to go. No coding, no hosting headache. You just go options. Then on the other hand, WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin. You need your own WordPress website and hosting. Then you install WooCommerce to turn your site into an online store. So Shopify is like renting a fully furnished apartment, while WooCommerce is more like buying land and building your house from scratch. So now let's talk about which one is easy to set up. So which one actually easy? With Shopify, you just need to be sign up, and then you will redirect to the dashboard, and you can actually start your business. Like you just need to add your products, then you just need to set up your payments, and you are ready to launch all in one place. But on the other hand, if I talk about the WooCommerce, you can say you first need to be set up your web hosting, then you just need to install your WordPress. As it you can see, we already did here. We already installed WordPress in our website. Then we are able to install WooCommerce in our plugin. As it plugin, like here you can see install plugin, we have this install plugin options. So we already installed here. Like how we can do it, you just need to click on add plugin on the WordPress platform. Then here you just need to be search WooCommerce here, and then you will eventually get the WooCommerce plugin over that place. So let me tell you that thing is, you first need to set up web hosting always, then install WordPress in the web hosting, then you just need to pick a theme, and in the last you just need to install the WooCommerce plugin and then configure your store. For total beginners, Shopify is definitely faster and easier. WooCommerce gives you more freedom but has a steeper learning curve. Then let's talk about the design and customizations. So here you can see that we have this plan WordPress. So if we go back here, or we go back to this place, here you can actually see that Shopify has beautiful themes. Like if I go to the online store, and here if I open the theme panel, here you can see we have beautiful themes and easy and drag and drop editor, and it is perfect for beginners. But you are a bit limited if you want heavy custom changes. On the other hand, WooCommerce combined with WordPress give you unlimited customization like this. Here you can see that we have appearance customization. If I click over here, we can easily customize each and every element by using WordPress. Then you can tweak every detail if you are comfortable with themes, plugins, or even a bit of code. So if you want easy and done for you, Shopify wins. If you love to tinker and customize, WooCommerce has more flexibility. Then let's talk about the cost and maintenance. So basically, Shopify has a monthly subscription. Like it comes with a monthly subscription. Here you can see it. Just click to the setting, and here if I click to the plan, right now we are using the trial version. So if I click to the choose plan, here you can see it. Shopify is monthly subscription plan is around $19 per month and include hosting, security, and support. Apps and premium themes can add extra costs. On the other hand, WooCommerce itself is free, but you will pay for hosting a domain, themes, plugin, and maybe developer if you get stuck. Also with WooCommerce, you can handle update, security, and backup yourself. With Shopify, it is all done for you. So let me give you an overall that which is easier. If you want the fastest, simplest, all-in-one solution, I will suggest you to go with the Shopify. You can launch in a weekend. But if you want full control, have some tech skills, or don't mind learning and like owning your setup, WooCommerce is amazing for you. Like WooCommerce is really amazing. Both can build a beautiful store. It just depends on how hands-on you want to be. And so that's Shopify best WooCommerce in a nutshell. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest e-commerce guide, and drop a comment. Are your team Shopify or team WooCommerce? Thanks for watching and good luck building your dream website.